Hello students, today we will learn that what is the concept of kingpin alignment in an automobile, in a car, in a jeep or whatever type of vehicle it is. Okay. So directly coming to the topic, see, you can see over here there is a compass. I think all of you know that how to work with the compass. You can see that there is a pencil holder and this is the needle, and in case you want to make a circle on paper, then put a needle at some point and then put the pencil at different point, and you must measure the distance between these 2 points, means the tip of pencil and this needle. So you just put it on the paper and then turn this compass, so it will make a circle on it of that much radius. The radius will be the distance between this lead of pencil and this needle. Okay, that will be the radius. Okay, so all of you would have experienced this thing, that when we are turning this compass, greater this radius is, greater the amount of effort to apply to make the circle. So over here, suppose I have closed, you can see I have brought the pencil and this needle to closest point. Okay, now in this case, if we are making a circle, then the radius will be this much, as I have shown in the diagram. Earlier the radius was large, now it is smaller. Okay, so effort will be smaller. So in case we want a circle which is even less than this, means even a smaller circle, then we can incline the pencil like this. Okay, so in actual case, the pencil holder of a compass is inclined with some angle. You can see over here. Now you can see the difference. Here the radius is more and here the radius is less. So even less amount of effort is to be applied. That's it, because the circle of this radius is smaller. There is an alternative. So instead of inclining this pencil, we can incline this needle also. Wherever the needle is kept on the paper and this is the pencil, so whatever the distance between this pencil tip, the lead of this pencil and this needle, that will be the radius. You can describe it. So by this way we can make a smaller circle and less amount of effort is to be applied. That's it. Okay, now coming to the topic, this is an automobile, we can see. Okay, and these are the wheels of automobile. This is the front view. Suppose this is a car or jeep, whatever you say, whatever it is, this is an indicative diagram. So these are the two wheels we can see. Okay, now in actual practice the wheels are like this. You can see these are the links and there is a pin called as kingpin. This is the link, one more link is there, and this these are the wheels. Okay, so actually when we apply effort on the steering, then it goes, that effort goes to this kingpin. So the wheels turn about that kingpin. So this is also called as steering axis, about which the wheels would steer. So here in the animation you can see that wheels are steered toward right hand side. You can see like this. Okay, so effort is applied on this kingpin by links. So by that effort, ultimately the torque is applied on the wheel so that they can turn about this steering axis. Okay, now this distance between this wheel and this steering axis is called as scrub radius, this distance. So this we can consider this wheel to be as pencil and this to be the needle of compass. Okay, so when it is turning like this, so it will describe an arc whose radius will be this scrub radius. So we can see that lesser the scrub radius will be, lesser the amount of steering effort. As I told you, by the help of compass, smaller the circle is, the smaller the amount of effort we have to apply to describe the circle, to make the circle on paper. So lesser this scrub radius will be, lesser will be the effort applied on the steering so to turn this wheel. So for this thing, what is done, that this kingpin about which it is steered, this wheel is steered, is actually inclined like this. Now what will happen, it is a case of that I told you, in this case the needle is bent, you can see, has some angle, and pencil is straight. So pencil is acting as the wheel and this is the kingpin. Okay, so in this case also a smaller circle will be described on the paper. So here the same, that kingpin is inclined. So you can see this is the line passing through this kingpin center. So wherever it is touching the road, you will take that point and the wheel center. So whatever the distance is formed, that will be the new scrub radius about which this wheel will turn. So, you can see in this case the scrub radius is smaller as compared to that of this case. So, smaller scrub radius means lesser amount of force to be applied for steering the wheels. So, this is what the concept of kingpin. And what is kingpin inclination? The angle between vertical and the line passing through this kingpin, whatever the angle which is made is what called as kingpin inclination or kingpin alignment. So, it is necessary in case we want to reduce the steering effort to steer the wheels. So, hope by this small lecture you would have understood that what is kingpin alignment or inclination. Thank you.